Are you?
I'm doing very well.
I am also fine. So it's our first meeting. So let's start with the introduction. So would you like to start first?
I'll start first, ma'am. My name is K. Narayana. I am from Andhra Pradesh, Chittoor district. Currently, I am living in Bangalore, Karnataka. It's come to my educational details, and I had completed my graduation since 2018, BSc Chemistry. Now I am doing job in pharmaceutical sector in a manufacturing department. Apart from my hobbies are listening music, watching English commentary and podcast in English movies. It helps to my communication skills, and also I'm learning new things with new people, and cooking food. When will I get more free time? I will cook food, new recipes. It really relaxing to me. That's
Yeah.
all about me, ma'am.
Amazing. So it's my turn. As you know, my name is Vijay Lakshmi. I was born and raised in Rajasthan, and presently I am living in Rajasthan also. I graduated from Rajasthan University, and I completed my BA degree from the Rajasthan University. I have been working as a teacher since last 10 years, and I blessed with a kid. And apart from my hobbies, so my hobbies are gardenings and little bit readings. So in nutshell, it's me. So tell me about sir. Can I call you Narayan?
Yes, ma'am. Of course, it's comfortable with.
Yes. So Narayana, what is no main purpose to learn this language, and when did you start your journey?
Ma'am, I learned this language my future purpose, and I started English journey since to 6 months ago, ma'am. That time I waste mostly I'm going to one institute. They are told me grammar, some grammar portion. I quit that class after I speaking practice. I improve my speaking practice. Why most English language is a global language. That's why when will I go to any new place, I I want to communicate in English language. That's why improve my English language. And also why means I waste so much time in my previous days. That's why I utilize time.
So would you like to tell me about something, your family background?
Okay, ma'am. I have 5 members in my family, and two elder brothers and one younger brother. And my family, my mother. That's all about. They are my younger brother and my mother doing farm agriculture in my native place, and my elder brother and younger brother me doing same job in same company and different departments. My younger brother doing work in quality assurance department. My elder brother and me doing work manufacturing department and production department, ma'am. We are manufacturing anti-cancer drugs and like molecules in Bangalore, ma'am.
Okay. So you mean to say three of them working in the same agency?
Yes, of course, ma'am.
Okay, it's nice. Now, when we live with our family members, so it's little bit easy for if we are living. So, is it your native place?
No, ma'am. My native place Andhra Pradesh, but I am currently living in Karnataka, Bangalore, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me about something Bangalore. I don't know. I am the northern part of India and it's the southern part of India. So I don't have an idea.
Bangalore is a most popular city in also metropolitan city, and most IT sector is there, pharma sector is there, and beautiful places is there. Mostly southern part of India, temple famous in temples in like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, famous in so many temples is there. In our state, Karnataka state, Dharmasthala, Mysore Palace, and also my Kanakadurgama temple, Durga Devi temple is there, and so many hill stations is there.
Have you ever been the northern part of India? Have you ever been Delhi?
I didn't visit. I won't visit anytime, ma'am.
Okay.
I
You
will
haven't
visit in future.
So do you have a dream to visit the northern part of India? Do you want to?
Yes, of course, ma'am. Actually, my interview completed in Mumbai, ma'am. Recently, I completed my interview. I want to visit Mumbai. I will come Mumbai, Maharashtra next month, maybe in 3 months later, after 3 months.
Okay. Have you heard about Rajasthan?
Yes, here about Rajasthan capital, Jaipur. Also, so many famous YouTuber also there, born and brought up in Rajasthan.
Do you follow?
Yes, I follow many YouTubers also, ma'am. And also Pink City of Jaipur. Some most of people I watch cricket, ma'am. Mostly Jaipur Pink Panthers, like Kabaddi team is there, and Rajasthan Royals cricket team is there. So much I know. I read books only, ma'am. I watch movies. That type of I know, ma'am. That's all. I didn't visit any time.
Okay, so which YouTuber do you like most?
Alina Rice, ma'am, and also some YouTuber. Mostly I watch movies, Alina Rice, ma'am, videos, and of course another YouTuber is there, Rajni Vamma, and Priyanka. Some people is there. And Nathan Priyanka Jain is a small kid. His pronunciation very well. I think 130 million view subscriber. She have
Yeah.
more million viewers subscribers is there. She speaks so many languages and French. BBC anchor. She is BBC anchor in Once Upon a Time. Priyanka, ma'am.
Yeah,
Small guy.
yeah, I heard about, but I am not a regular subscriber of her video. I also follow the Rajni Verma because she belong my district, Sri Ganganagar.
Oh,
Yes, and I follow Sunita William Adventure, Sunita from the Uttarakhand, and one also from the Delhi, Minu Puri ma'am. I watched these kind of the video, these kind of the YouTubers video I follow, and they have a their own qualities. If I talk about the Sunita Rawat videos, so she used advanced word, very calm and quiet manner, and yes, if I talk about the Minu Puri ma'am, she usually correct if I made mistake, and immediately she correct, and also she no, is it okay if I correct you? So we easily get feedback, and don't try to repeat the same mistake. And yeah, Rajni Verma is also, she also start from the scratch, and but he studies in DU, and little bit have a environment little bit in the DU. So in that manner we can say, but still she putting a lot of hard work to
yes,
reach this.
yes, ma'am. Of course, she is doing lots of efforts in YouTube. Also, I know Sunita ma'am, and also I send an email, but she doesn't reply me, and I understood she is very busy. That's
Yeah.
why.
Yes, yes. Sometimes it's a happen. Otherwise, Sunita Rawat is a very polite lady and very humble, down to earth lady. And try to reply. And definitely she will reply you whenever she get time. Last week, I think she went to Delhi for the as a purpose of the observe and visit sightseeing. So
Oh,
she made some blogs also there. And after that one of the videos she told I fell ill, she returned from their tour. So I think that is the problem. Otherwise she tried to reply each and every email. Yeah. Okay, if
um, tell me, ma'am. Go ahead, ma'am.
you have any particular question, so I would love to give answer.
Okay, ma'am. Do you any face problem while learning English language?
The same problem that I have also in lacuna of the practice, and lacuna in the speaking practice, especially the fluency. We know very well know what kind of the grammar, what kind of the sentence we should frame, but when in the terms of speaking we start little bit fumble, and immediately we are know to make a sentence correctly. Here and there we are making mistakes. So these kind of things I am making mistake, and try to listen my same video and try to mitigate the mistakes. So I also received a lot of feedback from the tutors. It's a take time, and we can't hurry. It's a language, and
Of
it's
course.
a journey. It's not a sprint. No. So it's
Yes.
take time, and we have to sense and keep learning, keep doing practice every day, and especially the four aspect of the learning. We have to read every day, we have to listen every day, we have to write and we have to speak every day. So we have to work four aspect. If we are cover four aspects, so that will work, that will lead to a fluency. Otherwise we little bit feel I am just fumble, I am
Yes.
not making the correct sentence, making mistake here and there. It's a happen, it's a take time. It's a been 1 year I have been learning, and I also start from the scratch and Hindi medium background, and I am teaching in also the Hindi medium school. We also try to create a English speaking environment to practice other co-learner and deliberately push our mind to think in the English and try to get what is the exact, how can we say the in Hindi and how can we say in English, because English have a own way. We can't go for the straightforward translation. So we are learning, and I think it's take time, and we have to keep patience.
Somebody tell me English language 60 days learning English. So course is there, 90 days course is there. You want to achieve that course, then you will be able to speak very fluently. What do you believe that 90 days course, 30 days course, 60 days course, and it's possible to speak?
No, I think it's a it's a no white lie, we can say. I have been learning this language since last year, and it's been, you can say, 365 days complete, and still we are fumble, and sometimes we also do blunder mistakes, and sometimes we
Yes,
feel ashamed. How
yes,
can
ma'am.
I do this or that? But I would say if we are completing the four aspect, otherwise I haven't any habit to reading. Yeah, I have interest in the reading, but not the attentive reading. I just go for the any audiobooks and start doing my household chores, and while I am doing the household chore, that time I am listening the audiobooks. Whatever I get the point, I satisfy, but after some time I realize it will not work. I have to do for the active learning. Passive learning is not worthwhile. So I nowadays I bought almost 20 books from the different writers, and took a take a physical book and start reading books. Otherwise, when we start reading the PDF, and that time our eyes go tired within 15 minutes. So, and we are no feel enjoying, and we don't want to go for a long time. But when we go for the physical book, so I think it's good good thing. Especially nowadays I am reading the Murthy's books, especially. Yeah. So if we know reading the books from the Indian scenario, Indian situation, so I think it's better. No, she told different stories in the books, so I think it's beneficial for me. So
Okay.
according to you, what technique do you find very effective to learn this language? No, we try to tailor our space. We try
Okay.
to space our learning. So what do you find? What is the best technique according to you?
I must actually I watch English commentary, and also I'm watching movies, English movies. That time I reading subtitles, and also I speak that pronounces, I listen. That way too I'm improving my language, and also I'm reading also Sudhamurthy book. Also I reading. I whenever get free more time, I want to read book, and also before I go to the bed, and that time I read 5 pages every day. It is improving my skills, and also it is day by day. It is also habit. That's why. What
Yes.
is your book name, ma'am?
Sorry.
Which book you read in Sudhamurthy book? What is the title of book?
I have almost almost 10 to 9 books written by the
Okay.
Sudha Murthy. I try to show you nowadays the Sudha Murthy grandma's backstory.
Okay. It's a good for beginners, ma'am.
Sorry.
It's good for beginners, ma'am.
Yes, it's good for beginner, and I also sometimes try to read some books related to Tenali Ram and Akbar and Birbal.
Okay. Mostly I watch cartoon movies, like his pronunciation language also good. That's why mostly I am
Yeah.
English movies, web series like Harry Potter series, and also Friends web series. It's very useful for me, ma'am. Some YouTuber suggesting me, ma'am, that Friends. You know Ram, ma'am, Ram Chandra, YouTuber.
Ramchandran, I watched some videos. Yes.
He's suggesting some I watched one video, he's suggesting to people. That's why I watching that Friends web series. I message to Ram sir. He's replying me. That's why we'll connect soon. I also purchased one book. It's Wise and Otherwise, written by Sudha Murthy ma'am. And also
Okay.
another book name is 3000 Stitches.
Yeah,
Wise
I
and
have.
Otherwise.
Yeah, it's a
I
very.
really read book. Some stories wise I read book. It is
So,
it
does
is
your brother
very,
also learn this language?
ma'am.
Does your brother also learn this language?
No, ma'am. He's also he speaks very well, but in room he doesn't speak with me in English. He speaks only the native language.
Why? You have a brother and he is very good at English and speaking. So why should you no go for the speaking practice with your brother?
But he doesn't speak with me in English, ma'am. I want when I get to talk to him, they ignore to every day he speak in Telugu only. He is
Oh,
interested to another language, Kannada, Tamil language. He knows Hindi very well. He speaks Hindi very well, ma'am. That's why he is speaking only native some other languages. But in office, he speaks English language a little bit. But he doesn't interest. That's why I
does he
can't
help
force.
you? Does he help you when you feel I stuck here and I don't know the exact meaning of this word, this sentence? How can I use? So does he help you?
That time I use English to Telugu. Use online Chrome. I use Chrome, ma'am. How to? What is the meaning of that word? But for example, consistently, I don't know that meaning. I texted that Chrome. What is the meaning of consistently? How to use it consistently? And some it gives some examples also. What is that's way of I am learning English, and also some phrases I don't know. And recently I learned one phrases and idiom, and also it name is very easy for me. Piece of cake.
Yes, a piece of cake, a cup of tea. We can use
And
the
also
same.
some and I'll write some vocab also. I forget sometimes that I write the notebook. It is useful. Another when will I get free? That time read that whole.
With Colada, do you practice daily?
Yes, ma'am. Of course, 2 years to practice every day. Sometime every day I speak to 30 minutes on audio call, and when I will get free time, that time connect with video conference, video call also, ma'am.
What's your office time then?
8:30 to shifts, ma'am. Maybe in I will go to general shift. Today I am free, ma'am. That's why today I will go to B shift 2 to night 10 o'clock. Today I
Okay,
get
so do you
more
live
free time.
nearby the office? Do you live the
Hmm?
nearby office? Do you
Yes,
live
ma'am.
nearby the office?
Yes, nearby, and also some phrases is there on cloud nine, have a beats me, and a
The meaning
big
of
deal,
on cloud
some,
nine? What is the
ma'am,
meaning of on now nine?
cheerful, like that. That I read any new phrases will come, that time I read this notebook. After I completed the session, I watch again, I watch conversation video. What is I made mistakes, I rectified next session.
Yeah,
It helps to me.
yes, definitely. So if you have any question, otherwise we will wind up our session.
I don't have any question, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am, giving this
Oh,
opportunity. And this is wonderful session. I'm very comfortable with you, ma'am.
okay, thank you for tuning here, giving your precious time. I'm looking forward you join again. Okay, bye. Take care.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.